I have a friend named Emily. She is a most amazing lady. She comes from Henley family, and she is married to Henry. Her sister's name is Linda Henley. They're just the two of them. They both grew up in Slidell. They also went to school there. They are considered local girls. They both are like my sisters, their family. What a blessed man I am. She has a loving daughter, Stacy, married to Breath of Fredenburg, and Trinity, their only baby, the apple of all their eyes. She has two dogs named Bear and Zoe. They're both adorable. Kim is her other daughter, and Lawrence is her husband, and they're both live in Baton Rouge. So these are information of Emily. She's my BFF. Emily's family, and they are like my family.